possible attributes or features of the visual universe is to make the familiar more compelling and elevate vision to a loftier position in the pantheon of desire, empowering it to assert its role as a primary vessel of consumption. I realized it was possible to consider the nutritional attributes of visual consumption. I am a farmer, cultivating my mental terrain, responsible for the integrity and purity of the ingredients converted to compost in my mind. Essential ingredients to the body of thought, a healthy body of thought. Visual compost has its own nature, an amalgam of unique features and ingredients, its own genera and subspecies, composed of the offspring of optical input and nutrients I have chosen to receive by turning my head in a certain direction.